If you watch my channel, you know that my time in the garage can be pretty labor intensive. Hauling, scrubbing, and refinishing furniture, it really takes a toll by the end of a long day, and that's why today I'm taking a quick break from sanding and painting to talk to you about something really special, the Flexispot XL6 Power Lift Recliner Chair. Flexispot has been a longtime supporter of my channel, so I was very excited to try out their newest recliner chair. And it sets up in a matter of minutes with ease. Like, I am talking in no time, you guys. I had this thing put together. The directions were so easy to read and everything's top notch, just like you would expect from a great company like Flexispot. I chose the breathable leather and dark brown, but they offer a few other colors and textures to suit your style. The XL6 Powerlift provides a seamless setup for instant comfort and hassle-free assembly with their user-friendly design, ensuring that you can enjoy the comfort of your Flexispot recliner in no time at all. Its dual motor design has you reclining with ease, with a separate function to recline the footrest and the backrest. It holds up to 400 pounds and reclines to almost 180 degrees, making it such a great spot to watch TV, relax, or even take a nap. My favorite function after a long day work in the garage is the soothing vibrating massage feature. I can enjoy a spa-like treatment with 8 vibrating massage nodes thoughtfully placed to key pressure points to help ease pain and provide comfort. There are 3 massage modes and they easily adjust for the perfect soothing experience. There's also a heating function to warm up your body and melt away stress while you relax in your perfectly reclined chair. I like to set mine on the leg and the lower back setting, and then I set the timer for around 30 minutes for the massage setting. With its convenient side pockets, your remotes are never too far out of reach. There is a spot for the cords to stay tucked away, and there is never a missing remote with its own dedicated spot. The Flexispot recliner is great for those with limited mobility, and it's highly recommended by physical therapists because of its lift position to help you go from sitting to standing with ease and comfort. Flexispot has literally thought of every comfort possible, and built into this convenient chair, it even has a USB charging port at the top end of the remote control, so I can plug my phone in so I can relax and catch up on emails or chat on my phone. Super convenient. It also has a lumbar pillow included for support and enhanced comfort. The headrest can be easily adjusted to 3 different angles to provide optimum head support, and once again adjusting the chair to meet my particular relaxation needs. Plus, the designer upholstery is waterproof and stain resistant with easy cleaning in mind, which is so great since I have so many kids and messy dogs. Whether you're putting in a long day's work and need a place to unwind, or simply looking for a comfortable spot to relax, the Flexispot Powerlift XL6 recliner chair is a perfect addition to any space, and it brings a spa-like experience to your home. There is a $50 coupon code just for my viewers next to the link that I've included in the description box below. Trust me, you guys are going to want to check this out. Thanks for tuning in today, guys, and don't forget to check out that Flexispot XL6 Powerlift Recliner Chair. With its quick and seamless setup, dual motor design, soothing massage, and convenient features like the side pockets and the USB charging port, it's the perfect chair for relaxation, and at this price point, I don't think it can be beaten. Chairs with these features can easily cost over $2,000, but this one's priced less than $500, and that's before my special coupon that I've got listed below, so be sure to check that out with that link that I've listed in the description to order your Flexispot Recliner XL6 today. Trust me, you will use this chair as much as I do.